As I look back now, I remember many things about Colorado, living there all those years ago at the edge of the mountains. The endless stream of clouds racing along the western wind over the peaks. The movement and lights of the people. But most of all, I remember Allie. She lived around the corner. She was in 8th grade with me. She was my girlfriend, and she was beautiful. We spent hours just talking. In the confusion that was 8th grade, Allie was my constant, the thing I measured everything by. And then one day I got sick.
102 still. It's not coming down. Okay, you stay in your room today.
I was going to see Allie.
Not today. You talk the ear off that girl. Give her a rest for one day. No phone, no email, no talking. You rest.
I was sick. I wasn't allowed to talk to Allie. It seemed like all that was left was noise. But out of the noise, a plan was born. A truck to carry a note. Video from a camera on the truck so I could see to guide it on its way. The audio didn't work. It would have to do. Obstacle 1, the parent. Obstacle 2, the hill. Well, just a slope that led away from our house, but for the truck, a challenge. Obstacle 3, the forest. A juniper bush and a pine tree acted as a dark and deep forest to hold back the truck. Obstacle 4, the open road. 2 blocks of cracked sidewalk, potholes, and random traffic to overcome. The video link gave out when there was still about 200 feet to get to Allie's house. Perhaps the truck was broken. Perhaps it could still obey my commands. But I didn't know. I couldn't see. I could only hope. That part of the journey I would have to negotiate blind and dark from memory, without knowing if I was making a single real step forward. About 50 feet forwards, I hoped. And 100 feet to the left, I hoped. And about 50 more feet to Allie's door. Or it was stuck in a bush or down a drain or crushed by a car. But I hoped. Pretty soon, any minute, Allie would see the truck, get my message, and the truck would return with a reply. For a long time, there was nothing. Then, early in the morning, at first light, when I had waited so long, I never saw Allie again. The next day, her father got a job offer across the country. They went to scout it out And somehow they sold their house and moved their things out there without ever coming back. Of course, I talked a lot with Allie on the phone about her life there. But slowly there was less and less. And then we didn't talk at all. A memory. All those years ago.